Hi guys. I just wanted to check in and say hey. I sure miss you guys, and I hope you've had a wonderful week and a fantastic weekend. Um, so, a couple of things for week 13. Remember to read chapter 4 of the Caring Economy. I stuck in a video that could also help with if more information on CSRs and just so when you're developing your CSR plan that you have that available. There's a reflective activity on chapters 1 through 4 of the Caring Economy. So just think of 3 takeaways and then just how it's going to benefit your CSR plan for, just write a paragraph on each of those takeaways. So the takeaways can be in bulleted form, but then a paragraph underneath it of those takeaways. And that's due Monday, tomorrow by 11:59. And then on Wednesday, you have a fair trade case study that is a video. And then just to answer the 5 questions that are attached to there's a file that's also attached to it. So open that up um, and answer the questions and then upload that to Blackboard. And again, that's due on Wednesday night at 11:59. So I sure miss you guys. Please zoom in. I'm on Zoom Mondays and Wednesdays from 9:25 to 10:40, and then again from 12:15 to 2:55, and then on Tuesday, Thursday from 9:25 till 10:40. So so pop in at any time. It's the same Zoom link. Um, but you can find that on in the announcements. Um, Also, the verse that I have for you guys this week is Psalm 73:26, and I encourage you to look it up. And I'd love to talk about it with you if you check into Zoom. So, again, I miss you guys. I hope you have an amazing week and an even more special um, Easter. So, that's a week from today. Hard to believe. So, I again, please check in. I'd love to see your faces. Take care. Miss you guys.